Hello, everyone. I'm Jack Debe, Curriculum Director for the Avon Lake City Schools. Today, I'm going to talk to you about PowerSchool, the program that we use in the district to keep track of student grades, assignments, and attendance. First thing I want to tell you as we go through and you see the different features in PowerSchool, we'll show you both the website and the apps. PowerSchool is currently not live, but will be live later during the week of August 24th once schedules are finalized. And of course, will be completely available for you once school begins the week of August 31st. So to start, I'm going to start by sharing a screen and we're going to watch a short video on PowerSchool.
You and your best friend Colin have been in a friendly competition since elementary school to see who can earn the best grades. Now, as high school juniors, you're both at the top of the class at your respective schools. This year, however, you think you might have an academic edge. Included in your back to school packet is a letter with a web address, some usernames and passwords, and a district code. The letter says this information is for students and parents to use PowerSchool, the student information system used by your school district. Having access to PowerSchool and all of your grade, assignment, and attendance information sounds great and will definitely help you monitor your progress. Being an inquisitive student, though, you have some questions. What devices can you use to access PowerSchool? And how do you and your parents use the username and password information provided to sign in? PowerSchool offers both a web-based application used on a computer called PowerSchool Student and Parent Portals, and a free app available for both Apple and Android devices, such as phones and tablets, called PowerSchool Mobile. Students and parents use the same web address and app to access PowerSchool, but they see slightly different information. After navigating to the web address in a browser, students enter the student username and student password provided by their school to sign into PowerSchool.
Now, the link to this portal is from the Avon Lake City Schools webpage. When you log into our homepage, at the bottom left, there's a little icon that says PowerSchool, and you'll click that to get to this screen.
Students can see only their personal account information. After downloading PowerSchool Mobile, students use the same username and password to sign in. The first time they sign in, they will also need the district code.
Avon Lake, our district code is all capital letters. It is LGCX. LGCX.
If the district code isn't included in the information provided by your school, the code can be found at the bottom of the navigation menu in PowerSchool Student and Parent Portals. Before parents can sign into PowerSchool, they must create a parent account. Parents can add multiple students from different schools within the district to their accounts. Each parent account is unique, and usernames and passwords are not shared among parents. Use the same web address as students to get to the student and parent sign-in page. Click the Create Account tab, and then click Create Account. A parent enters his first name, last name, and email address. Next, he creates a unique username and password. In the Link Students to Account section, he enters the following for each of his students: the student name, access ID, access password, and his relationship to the student. The access ID and password are provided by each school or the district office. Upon completion, at the bottom of the page, click Enter. Once the account is created, parents use their account information to sign into either the portal or the app. Just like with a student account, they will need to know the district code the first time they sign in to PowerSchool Mobile and can get this information from the portal. Now that your questions have been answered, you and your parents are ready to use PowerSchool to monitor your school progress. And you can focus on a more difficult task, getting better grades than Colin.
Now, that video is basically how you actually go about setting up the access to be in PowerSchool. And now from here, we're going to take a look at another short video that will show you the features of using PowerSchool and viewing grades, attendance, and some of those different things. And I'm going to show you first through the app.
Effective mobile solutions are essential for busy families on the go. PowerSchool Mobile puts grade, attendance, and school information at your fingertips, no matter where you are. Let's look at how to download and sign into PowerSchool Mobile. PowerSchool Mobile is available to students and parents to download for free. Just like the PowerSchool student and parent portals, one app provides access for both students and parents. PowerSchool Mobile can be downloaded from the App Store for the iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, and Apple Watch, or on Google Play for Android devices. After installing the PowerSchool mobile app, parents and students enter the 4-digit district code found on the start page of the PowerSchool student and parent portals, or they can search for the district name instead. On the PowerSchool mobile sign-in page, enter the code or tap "Where's my district code?" You know the code, so enter it, and then tap Continue. Now tap the username field and enter the student or parent username. Next, tap the password field and enter the student or parent password. Then tap Go. Once a parent signs in, she has access to information for all of the students she has linked to her account. Parents and students receive real-time notifications with updates regarding grades, scores, attendance, assignments, teacher comments, daily bulletins, course schedules, integrated family calendars, and fee transactions and balances. Now that you've learned how to install and sign in to PowerSchool Mobile, you are ready to use the mobile application and review grade, attendance, and school information. Remember, to sign into PowerSchool Mobile, first install the application on your mobile device. Enter the district code and the same username and password that you use for PowerSchool student and parent portals. Tap the Help menu and tap Search for your district if you don't know the district code. Tap Sign In. Now that you have PowerSchool Mobile, you can stay informed about grade, attendance, and school information no matter where you are. Now it's time to get home so your children can complete those homework assignments.
Okay, and then the last piece will be to actually take a look at how we find the grades and the attendance issue link. So here we go.
Using PowerSchool SIS to keep track of your students' school progress on a regular basis can save you from some unpleasant surprises later. You can perform several tasks from the default grades and attendance page in the PowerSchool SIS student and parent portals, such as reviewing class information and viewing your students' current grades and attendance information. Let's look at the grades and attendance page features. When parents or students sign into the portals, the grades and attendance page appears by default. In the left column is the student's attendance record for the last 2 weeks. Apple Grove High School has 2 rotation days in its schedule, so the dot in some of the attendance cells mean that the class did not meet that day. A blank attendance cell means that the student was present. When a student is absent or tardy, the grid displays an attendance code, such as A or T. Students and parents can refer to the legend at the bottom of the page to learn what the codes mean. To see all of the students' absences or tardies in a single class during the current term, click a value in the Absences or Tardies column. The Dates of Attendance page displays the date that the student missed the selected class. To view attendance information for all of the students' classes, return to the Grades and Attendance page. Then click a number in the attendance totals row. To see the dates that the student was absent in all of his or her classes so far this year, click the attendance totals value in the Absences column. The page lists the total absences by date that the student has accumulated in each class. Now return to the Grades and Attendance page to take a closer look. Current grades are shown for each class. Use the grade and percentage links to find more information. Click a grade link to see individual assignments. On the class score detail page, view general teacher comments and a section description if the teacher entered that information. Information about class assignments is at the bottom of the page. In the assignment area, View detailed assignment information by clicking View in the assignment row. The student score detail page provides additional information based on what the teacher has entered in his gradebook. In this instance, the teacher has included an assignment comment displayed on the Score Comment tab. Select the Assignment Description tab to view more information about the assignment. To close the Student Score Detail page, click OK. To view standards associated with an assignment and the scores the student received for the standards, click the Standards icon. Click the Standards icon again to hide the standards information. To view more detailed standard grading information, return to the top of the page and select the Standards Grade tab. Click the name of the class you wish to view. A list of the standards and term grades appear. Click a grade in one of the term columns.
I'm pausing here because right now we only have standards grading at the elementary grades, and that is only on certain power standards. So you would not see this feature at the secondary level.
The View Standard Final Grade page appears. On this page, review information such as the standard description and when the grade was last updated. To close the window, click X. With the ability to view class assignments and grades, parents and students can stay on top of course curriculum and the student's progress. Remember, to review current grade and attendance information, select Grades and Attendance from the navigation menu. To view the Dates of Attendance page, click a value in the Absences or Tardies column. To view the Class Score Detail page, click a letter or percentage grade. To view the Assignment Description page, click an assignment name. To view Standards Grade information, click the Standards Grades tab.
And regardless of whether you're looking at the website or looking at the app, all of the same information is available on both locations.
Using the PowerSchool Assist student and parent portals to review your students' grades and attendance information eliminates some of life's surprises, but not all.
Okay, and I would like to thank you for watching our video today on PowerSchool. I hope you find that as a useful tool, and I hope you have the chance to watch other videos as well.